Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, let's try and review BeautyBigBang027 stamping plate. To try the stamping plate, I'm first applying peel-off base coat on my natural nails. Then after letting the first coat dry, I'm applying another. Then I'm applying 2 coats of white nail polish. Now I'm applying liquid latex around the skin of my nails. Then I'm doing a gradient for my base. Now let's do the cleanup. After doing different color sets of ombre, let's apply top coat. After letting it dry, let's try the stamping plate. After all of that, I applied top coat. This stamping plate has one theme, and it's ice creams. It has 3 whole pattern designs and 11 individual ice cream designs. It's very well etched, and the pickup of the image is quite nice. Bought this at Shopee for 55 pesos. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!